Good morning, class 9th. So today we start exercise 4.3, question number 4th. Now fourth question is what? The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer the fare is what? 8 kilometer. And for the subsequent distance, means after the first kilometer, it will be charged as a 5 per kilometer. Take the distance covered as a x and total fare as a y. Now form the equation and make the graph of it. Now look at that fourth one. It is given that distance is x kilometer. Distance will be x kilometer and the fare will be y rupees. Okay. And the total fare is what? Y is equals to what? Now for the first kilometer it is given 8. Means for the first kilometer it will be 8 rupees now. For the 5 kilometer for the next one, now what is the total distance left? Suppose I will make the diagram here also. If this will be the total distance x, okay. If this will be the first kilometer, it will charge 8 kilometer. Then what will be the distance left? That total minus this one. So the left distance is what? X. Total will be the x. X minus 1 will be the total distance. So here it will be x minus 1. Is it clear to all? What I done, total is this x and 1 is the first kilometer. So the remaining distance is x minus 1. Make this diagram also x minus 1. Now equation is what? Y is equals to 8 ones are 8 plus that 5 multiplied to x, 5x, and 5 multiplied to minus 1 minus 5. So y is equals to 5x, that 8 minus 5 minus 3. This will be the equation. Y is equals to 5x minus 3. Now if I put x value will be 1. Plus 5x minus 1. Here plus came like 8 minus 5, it will be plus 3 only. Now if I put x value 1, see that if I put x equals to 1, then what is the value of y coming? Just check. 5 into 1 plus 3, then 5 plus 3, it will be what? 8. So the value of y is coming 8. So first coordinate is what? 1 comma 8. That you can draw in the graph. I will make the coordinate only, you can draw in the graph. Now if I put x is equals to 2, suppose if I put x value will be 2, then y is equals to 5 into 2 plus 3, then 10 plus 3, it will be 13. Second coordinate is what? 2 comma 13. So these are the points 1 comma 8 and 2 comma 13 that you can draw in the graph notebook. Now we move to the next question. So the next question is question number 4, 5th we already done, 6th one. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body. If the work done by a body on a constant force, a force I will take as a F, constant force is directly proportional. Directly proportional is the sign of this, is distance travelled by the body. Distance I will take as x. So F is directly proportional to x, and I think you already learned in the science also when the sign will be removed, this one, equal, here a constant will become F is equals to kx. Now express this in the form of a equation in two variable and draw the graph of the same by taking constant force is 5. Means the value of constant is what given? It will be given 5. So F is equals to 5x. This will be the equation. Now make the graph of it. You can make also read from the graph work done when the distance travelled by the body. Two distances are given. In the first part, x value is given 2, distance is given 2, then what is the value of f? Means 5 2s are, it will be 10. So you can mark as a first point will be, you can take 2 comma 10. Okay. Second one is what? 0. X value is 0, then the f is what? 5 into 0 is 0. So like this, these are the points, and you can draw the graph of this also. Like f value, x value will be 1, then f is what? 5. If x value is 2, then f is what? 10. So 1 comma 5 and 2 comma 10, you can draw the graph of this equation. Now question number 7th, that Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9th of school, together contribute 100 rupees towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfy the data. You may take their contribution as x and y. Draw the graph of the same. Okay. That question number 7, that two are there, Yamini and Fatima. Okay. So Yamini contribution I will take as x rupees, and Fatima is what? It will be y rupees. Total they contributed how much money? That x plus y is what? Equals to 100. Okay. Now easily you can find the point. If I put x is equals to 0, then what is the value of y coming? You all know, 100. And if I put x is equals to y is equals to 0, then x value is coming 100. So simply draw the graph of it. Like take the scale of 50 or 25, you can take. 50 I will take. 50, then 100, then 125, 150. Here also 50, 100, 150. So look at the point 0 comma 100. X will be the 0, y will be the 100. This is the point 0 comma 100. Second is x will be what? 100 and y will be 0. X will be 100 and y will be 0. So this is the graph of the question number 7th. So now question number 8th left. 8th question that we discuss in the next live class, question number 8 and next exercise questions. So thank you all of you.